Hello, this is Praveen Kumar S. Today's topic is how to protect your invention, granting of patent, granting of copyrights. Intellectual property right. The collection of rights that you have in the work product of your mind, your invention, your trade names, your symbols, your literacy, your musical works. The main purpose of intellectual property law is to encourage the creation of wide variety of intellectual goods for consumers. Types of intellectual property rights: patents, trademarks, copyrights, trade secrets. Patent meaning and how to protect your inventions. Meaning: a patent is a grant of protection for an invention. It is granted by the US Patent and Trademark Office and has a term of 14 to 20 years. How to protect your invention: file a provisional patent application, use a non-disclosure agreement. Granting of patent: decision of doing it yourself or engaging a professional. It is highly recommended that you engage a patent professional firm who has years of experience in the patent field. If you decide to use the services of professional, then make sure that you sign a non-disclosure agreement. Check the patentability of the invention by performing a search for similar technologies. The advantages of search is to provide a good idea of the merit of invention and helps in deciding if there are good chances of ultimately getting a patent granted. Drafting a patent application. Prepare an Indian patent application Form 1 and Form 2 based on the state of invention. Filling of patent application. Form 1, application for grant of patent. Form 2, provisional complete specification. Form 3, statement and undertaking regarding foreign application under Section 8. Form 5, declaration as to inventorship. Form 26, form for authorization of patent agent. Form 28, to be submitted by startup or small entity. Publication of patent application. Indian Patent Office will publish patent applications ordinarily after 18 months. This is an automatic event. You need not make any request. Examination of patent application. The examination process is where your patent application will finally be examined on merits of the inventions as described and claimed in the patent specification. Final decision on grant of patent. Once the patent application overcomes all the objections, the patent will be granted and published in the Patent Gazette. Renewal. After the patent has been granted, it has to be renewed every year by paying the renewal fee. Granting of copyrights. Filling of application. An applicant can file the application from registration of copyright himself or via his authorized legal representative. This application can be made by applying physically in the Copyright Office or through Speed Register Post or through e-filing facility available on official website of Copyright Office. Examination. Once the application is filled, a diary number is received. There is a provision of mandatory wait period of 30 days so that no objection is filed against the claim made by the author. Registration. On further submission of documents, if copyright registrar is completely satisfied with the completeness and correctness of the claim made in the application, he shall enter the particulars of the copyrights in the register of copyrights and further certificate of registration. Registration completes when the applicant is issued with the copy of entries made in the register of copyrights. The main aim of filing patents and copyrights is to protect rights of those who create original works. In order to protect any invention, expression of idea, trade names and symbols, etc., these intellectual property rights plays a vital role in safeguarding one's idea and inventions. Thank you for a few minutes of your time.